Alright, it's just about to fall asleep here working, but the fire alarms went off. In University Hall, University of Toledo. I guess I gotta go out. You know what? I better take my computer. Better take it. Get out of here. You know what'll happen if I stay? Won't be able to get back in for a half hour. Taking its time, man. I'll burn up in the fire. I'll take this with me. There it is. Alright. Let's go out. A little bit of that. Petting his name. What's that? A videotape. Oh! Are you taking video right now? Yeah. Why? Oh, I know, because how fun is that, right? Fire alarm going off. Body stuff on this thing is not really helping me. Sure, I packed up my computer. I'm like, okay, it's going to take a half an hour to get back in the building. I was thinking I should come to your office with the proposal of the UPS. Yeah. And I guess you were there. Oh, yeah, too much. That's my fault. I got to get the phone. Figure out what's going on there.